The motorhome stands tall under the showroom lights, its pearl-white aerodynamic shell curving with a soft fluidity that looks more sculpted than manufactured. It doesn't need sharp edges or loud styling to make a statement, its very shape carries confidence. The large panoramic windshield, the circular rooftop deck, the flowing white panels, everything feels like a fusion of yacht design and futuristic mobility. But instead of staying here admiring its exterior for long, we're stepping inside, because the real masterpiece is the interior. The first space you enter is the master bedroom, the Amber Wave Suite. Immediately, the environment shifts into something warm and welcoming. Smooth satin white walls curve around you with soft black glass inlays blending into the architecture. Thin amber LED lines travel across the grooves in an organic flow, creating a soft, sunset-like glow. The bed sits at the center on a floating, glossy white amoeba-shaped platform. Its sand beige mattress looks soft and inviting, accented with gold-edged pillows that elevate the entire palette. The curved side walls form a cocoon-like embrace, keeping the room compact yet atmospheric. Along one side, a small curved tinted window filters in muted light behind a short dark curtain, matching the motorhome's aerodynamic shape. Stepping forward, you enter the Pearl Flow dressing pod. This space transitions the aesthetic smoothly. Satin white curved wall panels flow into black glass accents, keeping the design consistent. Vertical amber LED strips emphasize the height and subtly illuminate the room. A floating vanity sits along one wall, glossy black with a curved shape and a softly backlit oval mirror. Perfumes and grooming accessories are neatly arranged for a lived-in feel. The wardrobe curves elegantly along the wall, half open with pearly white sliding doors revealing hanging clothes under warm internal lighting. A tiny curved tinted window near the vanity adds realism with a short dark curtain matching the room's palette. The matte metallic floor reflects warm amber highlights, making the dressing pod feel compact, modern, and premium. Moving into the AeroStream Compact Kitchen Cell, you enter a space designed for efficiency without sacrificing style. Pearl white curved cabinetry blends with matte black accent lines, giving the kitchen a clean, structured look. The dark stone countertop is shaped in a soft organic curve, separating the round sink on one side and the induction cooktop on the other. Above it, a compact microwave sits seamlessly within the gently curved upper cabinet. Overhead cupboards feature white glass curved doors that reflect warm ambient lighting. A tiny curved window sits above the counter, accompanied by a short dark curtain matching the theme. Amber LED lighting runs beneath the counter and into the wall grooves, giving the kitchen a warm, glowing contour. A small dining shelf sits at the end with two beige leather stools tucked beneath it. A flower vase and teapot set complete the space. With a matte charcoal floor catching soft warm reflections, the kitchen feels aerodynamic, cohesive, and realistically compact. Next is the golden curve lounge chamber, a warm, cozy space shaped around fluid design. A curved beige sofa is built into the wall, following the natural contours of the motorhome. Thin gold piping outlines its shape, adding subtle luxury. A glossy black glass coffee table sits in the center, soft and oval, topped with a small flower vase. The walls blend satin white surfaces with warm wooden inserts, and amber LED wave lines travel across the curves, making the lounge glow gently. A small curved tinted window matches the exterior's shape, framed with a soft curtain. The ceiling flows in layered sweep arcs, illuminated with golden ambient light. The matte charcoal floor balances the room with subdued tones. Everything here feels cozy, premium, and stylistically connected to the motorhome's liquid architecture. The next stop is the Pearl Glow Compact Bath. Despite being small, the bathroom feels polished and modern. Satin white curved panels flow into black glass vertical accents. A subtle amber LED line traces the inner curve of the wall, adding detail without overpowering the room. The floating glossy white vanity hosts a small minimalist basin with a curved mirror above it, rimmed in a soft amber glow. On one side, a compact curved shower capsule sits in matte black with a small tinted door and warm edge lighting. The commode is tucked neatly into a curved alcove. The matte charcoal floor captures gentle warm reflections, while the ceiling, shaped in a tight oval recess, spreads soft diffused amber light. This bathroom feels compact, believable, and elegantly connected to the motorhome's design language. Then comes the mini spa, the Amoeba Amber Spa Pod. The soaking tub is uniquely shaped, glossy white stone curved into an amoeba form, with warm amber light glowing beneath the waterline. Satin black accent walls curve around the tub, catching amber reflections that create a tranquil atmosphere. Towels sit neatly on a recessed shelf nearby. The ceiling above forms layered oval curves, diffusing warm light across the room. With the matte charcoal floor grounding the space, the spa feels intimate and soothing, a calm retreat inside an ultra-modern motorhome. The next room is the AeroFit Compact Pod, a functional gym space that remains aligned with the motorhome's aesthetic. Satin white and matte black curved wall panels blend with amber LED trim. A treadmill and stationary bike sit side by side, finished in silver black with soft amber detailing. A small dumbbell rack is built into the wall niche, neatly lit from below. A tiny curved window sits above with a dark curtain. The ceiling arcs with aerodynamic precision, glowing with warm diffused light. The matte charcoal textured floor offers grip and durability. Even in its compact size, the gym feels premium and efficient. From here, you move into the executive office, the AeroCommand Executive Pod. Smooth satin white wall panels blend into soft black glass inlays, with an amber contour line tracing the main curve of the room. A floating glossy black desk sits at the center, trimmed in pearl white along the edges. The desktop holds a laptop, notepad, and a small vase. The ergonomic sand beige leather chair features subtle gold stitching. A curved storage cabinet along the wall has matte black doors half open, showing neatly arranged files. A tiny curved tinted window with a dark curtain sits above, matched to the motorhome's flow. The ceiling features a layered oval recess with soft amber diffusion, and the matte charcoal floor completes the premium feel. Finally, you enter the cockpit, the AeroCommand driver deck. A satin white dashboard blends seamlessly into a black glass instrument band with a thin amber LED trim. The steering wheel is matte black with chrome accents, grounded and realistic. A navigation display sits at the center, with physical buttons arranged neatly around it. Dual champagne beige leather pilot seats sit at the front, each shaped for comfort and realism. The narrow curved windshield matches the exterior flow, paired with a short dark curtain. The ceiling's aerodynamic wave carries a warm amber line. The matte charcoal floor adds a soft sheen. Everything feels coherent, elegant, and modern. This motorhome moves like a sculpture, but lives like a luxury residence designed for someone who appreciates futuristic fluidity and warm, welcoming interiors. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to subscribe for more futuristic motorhomes, luxury moving mansions, and next-generation interior designs.